What if we told you that butter, a staple in kitchens worldwide, predates written history? Archaeological evidence suggests that humans have been enjoying butter for at least 9,000 years. Imagine our ancestors discovering that the creamy layer atop shaken animal milk held culinary magic. This golden elixir, born from simple observation and necessity, has nourished civilizations for millennia. The earliest methods of making butter likely involved animal skin pouches or gourds. Filled with milk and agitated, these vessels transformed the humble liquid into a treasured fat. Ancient cultures revered butter not only for its flavor, but also for its preserving properties. It served as a valuable commodity, traded and gifted across ancient lands. From the rolling hills of Ireland to the fertile plains of Mesopotamia, butter has woven itself into the fabric of human history. Its journey from a simple food source to a culinary icon speaks volumes about human ingenuity and our enduring fascination with transforming nature's bounty into culinary delights. The butter-making process begins long before the first churn is cranked. It starts with the animals themselves, primarily cows, but also sheep, goats, and even yaks in some cultures. These animals graze on pastures, converting sunlight and grass into nutrient-rich milk. The quality of their feed directly impacts the flavor and texture of the butter. Farmers milk their animals twice a day, a rhythmic routine that connects humans and animals in a symbiotic dance. Warm, frothy milk flows from udders into pails, carrying the essence of the pasture and the gentle care of the farmer. This fresh, whole milk teeming with life holds the key ingredient for buttercream. The transformation from milk to butter is a testament to the power of simple processes. Each step, guided by tradition and refined over generations, plays a crucial role in developing the final product's unique character. This intricate dance of nature, human intervention, and time culminates in a culinary treasure celebrated worldwide. Fresh milk, a symphony of fats, proteins, and sugars, holds the secret to butter within its depths. Tiny fat globules, lighter than the surrounding liquid, gradually rise to the surface. This separation, a testament to the patient hand of time and the unwavering force of gravity, marks the birth of cream. In the past, this process unfolded naturally. Milk, left undisturbed in shallow pans, allowed the cream to gather at the top, forming a thick, velvety layer. This traditional method, still practiced in some parts of the world, yields a cream rich in flavor and ideal for churning. Today, the separation of cream from milk is often accelerated using centrifuges. These machines, spinning at high speeds, mimic the effects of gravity, efficiently separating the cream from the milk. While this modern method streamlines production, it's the slow, natural separation that often yields the most flavorful cream, prized by butter aficionados worldwide. Cream, the soul of butter, awaits its transformation within the churn. This simple vessel, a symbol of rural life for centuries, holds the key to unlocking butter's hidden potential. As the churn rocks back and forth, the delicate dance of agitation begins, setting in motion a remarkable metamorphosis. Inside the churn, fat molecules, once content in their creamy embrace, collide with increasing force. This kinetic energy disrupts their structure, causing them to clump together. Slowly but surely, these clusters grow, transforming the smooth cream into a sea of tiny butter grains. The churn, once filled with a homogeneous liquid, now reveals a magical separation. Buttermilk, a tangy byproduct of the churning process, pools at the bottom, while clumps of golden butter float triumphantly above. This visual testament to the power of agitation marks a pivotal moment in the butter-making journey, a transformation from liquid to solid, from cream to butter. Cultural churns, a world of butter traditions. Butter making finds diverse expression across cultures. From the Himalayas to the Andes, each region shapes its butter with unique traditions. In the Himalayas, yak butter is churned in tall, cylindrical churns. This butter, with its rich flavor, adapts to the environment. In India, butter holds a revered place in culinary and religious traditions. In Europe, wooden butter churns became cherished heirlooms. Butter-making tools and techniques reflect the rich tapestry of human culture. Section 6. Modern marvels butter in the Industrial Age. The Industrial Revolution, a period of unprecedented technological advancement, swept across the globe, leaving its mark on every facet of life, including the humble art of butter making. Traditional churns, once a fixture in homes and farms, gave way to large-scale factories, where efficiency and volume reigned supreme. The advent of centrifugal cream separators revolutionized the butter-making process, enabling the rapid separation of cream from milk on an industrial scale. Continuous churns, marvels of engineering, replaced their manual counterparts, churning out vast quantities of butter with remarkable speed. While industrialization undoubtedly increased butter production and made it more accessible, it also sparked debates about quality and tradition. Some argue that the nuanced flavors and textures of artisanally made butter are lost in the mass production process. This tension between tradition and innovation continues to shape the butter industry today, as consumers increasingly seek out products that embody both quality and sustainability. Section 7. A matter of taste, salt, culture, and flavor. Butter, in its purest form, is a celebration of milk's rich, inherent flavor. However, the addition of salt, a practice dating back centuries, adds a new dimension to this culinary chameleon, influencing its taste, preservation, and cultural significance. In many cultures, salt is considered the soul of butter, enhancing its sweetness and adding a savory depth. The amount of salt added varies widely, reflecting regional preferences and culinary traditions. European-style butters, for example, tend to have a higher salt content than their American counterparts, influencing their flavor profiles and culinary applications. Beyond its flavor-enhancing properties, salt also played a crucial role in preserving butter in the days before refrigeration. The addition of salt inhibited bacterial growth, extending the shelf life of this precious commodity. Today, while refrigeration has largely mitigated the need for salt as a preservative, its use persists, a testament to its enduring impact on butter's flavor and cultural significance. Section 8. Beyond the bread butter's culinary versatility. Butter, often associated with its humble role as a bread spread, transcends this simple purpose to become a culinary linchpin. Its versatility shines through in countless dishes, adding richness, flavor, and texture. In savory dishes, butter serves as the foundation for countless sauces. It adds depth and complexity to soups and stews. From French beurre blanc to Indian brown butter sauces, butter's possibilities are endless. In baking, butter is essential for creating flaky pastries and tender cakes. Its ability to trap air creates lightness in cakes, while its high melting point contributes to flaky layers. From shortbread cookies to wedding cakes, butter plays a starring role in beloved baked goods. Section 9. Butter's nutritional paradox, friend or foe. Butter, a source of both culinary delight and nutritional debate, has long occupied a paradoxical place in the world of food. Rich in saturated fat and calories, it has been both praised for its flavor and demonized for its potential health risks. For centuries, butter was a dietary staple, providing essential calories and nutrients in times when food was scarce. Its high fat content, once a symbol of prosperity and nourishment, became a source of concern in the latter half of the 20th century, as studies began to link saturated fat with heart disease. The debate over butter's health effects continues to rage on, with proponents highlighting its rich source of vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as its potential benefits for gut health. Critics, however, caution against its high saturated fat content, advocating for moderation and balance in its consumption. As with many things in life, the key to enjoying butter's culinary and nutritional benefits lies in moderation and a holistic approach to diet and lifestyle. Section 10. The sustainable churn, ethical considerations. In an era marked by increasing awareness of food production's impact on the planet, the journey from farm to table takes on new significance. Butter, once a symbol of rural simplicity, now faces scrutiny as consumers demand ethical and sustainable practices at every stage of its production. Concerns about animal welfare, greenhouse gas emissions from dairy farming, and the environmental impact of industrial butter production have prompted a growing movement towards more sustainable alternatives. Grass-fed butter, produced from cows raised on pasture, has gained popularity, lauded for its potential environmental and health benefits. Consumers are increasingly seeking out butter produced from small-scale, local farms that prioritize animal welfare and environmental stewardship. The rise of farmers' markets, artisan creameries, and direct-to-consumer models reflects this growing desire for transparency and connection in our food system. By supporting these sustainable practices, consumers can savor the creamy goodness of butter while contributing to a more ethical and environmentally responsible food system. Butter's enduring appeal. From ancient origins to modern culinary icon, butter is cherished worldwide. Its journey reflects human ingenuity and cultural diversity. The science, tradition, and artistry converge in every golden pat. Butter's diverse applications and unique flavors are marvels of regional traditions. Butter remains a timeless treasure, captivating palates across generations. Its rich flavor and versatility elevate even the simplest dishes. Butter will continue to hold a special place in our kitchens and hearts.